Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. On the DOT chart, we can today see a bit of a rejection, or at least the price got rejected in the micro resistance area that we talked about in the last few days. So it's possible now that we retest the lower micro support region again. Getting rejected from resistance could indicate that this B wave topped. I'm going to zoom in a minute. Quick reminder that we are probably either close to a low in wave 2 in this larger wave 2 correction that started in March, or we have already bottomed. If we've already bottomed, then it is impossible to confirm that at this stage. Okay, it would be a guess. I'm not here for guessing. I don't think anybody expects me to. It wouldn't be helpful. However, I can give you the clear parameters that we can be watching for further upside. So if really that larger wave 2 bottomed here on the 5th of July, then we might have completed a first 5-wave move, which I call wave 1 with a question mark. This here would be a wave 2 pullback, and then I need to see the wave 3, 4, 5. These 5 waves should reach the $8 to $9 range, possibly higher. But basically, to give you an idea where we should be landing, right? So $8, $9, but in 5 waves is very important. What happened here is too small to be reliable. In addition to that, if I zoom out a little bit before we really zoom in, this here is still a possible descending wedge pattern, and I really want to see the price get above this descending wedge pattern for a clearer assessment that the low has formed in all of wave 2. This would be the first step though. Okay, what is more important is structure. So as long as we stay within this wedge and haven't shown the price hasn't shown 5 waves, one more low is likely, and 460 would be the next micro support level. Okay, now if we really bottomed already, then the market could prove that further by holding micro support. So this micro support area in any pullback now should really hold. In order to keep the idea at least alive. You know, it's, again, we don't have strong evidence yet, but it's possible that this here is a 5-wave move up, an ugly one though. And then here, this could now be the 3-wave pullback I talked to you about already. This likely to be an A wave down, which might have bottomed on Monday the 8th. A B wave rally was expected to complete in the standard resistance area between $6.11 and $6.33. With today's top, like the post-CPI upside rally that we've seen, it's possible that now wave C to the downside has started. If wave C to the downside has started, then it should take us down to round about 560, 570. This is based on an assessment of the microstructure here within that correction. Now we have an A wave down, then we compare that with the C wave length, and in most cases such a C wave would reach the 100% extension, and that takes us to around about 560 to 570. But really any of these fib levels is relevant, you know, 586, 568, 549, and even 524, but below $5.24, I would lose much confidence. I mean, I'm not confident in this structure, okay? I'm just showing you what I see and what the potential is, and which parameters need to hold to really maintain a perspective that this larger 5-wave move at least is a decent potential. I mean, again, let's see if support holds, okay? Below $5.24, this wave 2 pullback will become even less likely. And the invalidation point, and that's the formal invalidation point, is at $4.95. But if we get a little bit more of a pullback, maybe into the 560, 570 range, and then see a breakout to the upside, that could be our 3rd wave. But I need to see a low in this micro wave 2 first before I can really give you a target for this 3rd wave. Everything else would be just a guess. So what is really important now is that the price doesn't break below 524 from a bullish point of view, and that we then see a reversal in this region and a break above the wave 1 high at $6.53. Definitely pay attention to a possible trend line break here to the upside, because it is quite relevant with 3 touch points. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.